Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I pulled out these Christmas tree molds, or well, I guess they're just generic tree molds, but we all know what they're for, right? These two came in a set with a bunch of smaller versions of them, I think. And I think I got these... Ooh, did I get these from Amazon? Or... Darn it, I can't remember. But anyway, so these two came together in a set. And then this one is from J. Diction. Beautiful tree with a star on it. I'm bringing out my chrome powder again. I told you guys in the last video that I would be. So, I told you to just be aware that I'm going to use them. I want to do a green tree. I want to do a blue tree, but like the light blue. And then, do I want to do a pink tree? Like a holographic pink? Oh, I don't know. No, not purple. Do I want to do a red tree? Royal blue? No. Sorry guys, I'm just looking. I'll do a rose red. So, green, blue, and rose red. This again is going to be just like the last video where it's simple. I'm just dusting these, throwing in some resin, and demolding. So, yeah, super simple and easy. I'm filming this the same day that I filmed my last video. And I was like, if I'm going to mix up resin and use the chrome powders for the last one, might as well mix up enough to do these 3 trees as well. Trick of the trade, I guess. Anyway, yeah, I'm excited to see how these look. I am making up some white resin for my last video, which you should have already seen. And I'll use that to back the light blue, so that way the black doesn't change the color too drastically. Yeah, super simple and easy and quick one today, guys. I don't know, enjoy, I guess. Also, I'm so sorry, Tom, for all of the Christmas music you've had to endure. I still love you. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Again, I'm mixing genres here. I've got some of these from, actually, I want to say that I poured these well before the Halloween time. But, yeah, so this is one of those little fondant cake candy mold kind of things. I had gotten it, obviously, originally for Halloween. But then I realized that they're very, very chunky. So I couldn't figure out a way to utilize them properly. They're very cute, don't get me wrong. I'm sure eventually I will figure out, ow, one of them just stabbed me. They're sharp. I will figure out what to do with these or how to utilize them. But I realized also that I don't think I ever showed you guys these. Or if I did, it was only like 1 or 2. So this might be a little bit longer of a bonus unmolding. I apologize for that. Unless you like the bonus unmoldings, which I know quite a few of you do. Okay. They're very, again, they're really cute. But like, that doesn't make sense to me because it's triangular. You know? So that's what I mean when I say, like, I just don't know how I would utilize these. Yeah. I don't know. They're really cool. Maybe they could be magnets. I don't know. And I've got 2 of these, but I think I still have one in its packaging that I'd kept out for the giveaway that I did last year. I had packed up all of these molds that were unused for a giveaway, and then the giveaway winner turned out to live in Sweden, so it would have cost so much for them to receive it, you know, with the, I don't know, post handling, whatever it's called, where you have to pay taxes to get your shipments in. So I just did a gift card to them. Anyway, that's your bonus unmolding. Apologies again that it is 2.5 minutes long. All right, friends. So these are cured. Apparently, I'm tossing them around. I don't know how well these are going to come out. I don't know how many bubbles are going to be in these 2 specifically. I did sit down here for a hot minute and attempt to debubble them. But yeah, we all know that bubbles have a mind of their own. Cute. Okay. Not exactly what I was going for. Hold on, let me flip this back the correct way. It's not what I was going for, but I really kind of like it, actually. It's got that kind of, like, snowfall and, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I like it. Okay. Let's do this one. This one's always a pain in the booty to demold. It's funny because it kind of reminds me more of a, what are those things called on the ground? Pine cone. Yes, that's the word. Kind of reminds me of a pine cone more than... Okay, so there were a few bubbles, but not nearly as bad as I was expecting. So that's good. It's very pretty color. Okay, okay. Hey, you know what? I'm not mad at it. A lot of little extra bits from the pour in here. And for this one, I don't know if you could tell on the video, I was kind of wondering how I could color the star on it. before I poured the resin, but because the resin had been warming up for so long, I didn't want to risk it flash curing in the cup. So I just said, to hell with it. I will color it afterwards. So I tried to get the green only on the tree. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Very, very cute. So I brought my gold deco color down. And I'm just gonna paint the star gold, because why not, you know? I just thought that was a good idea, since I couldn't, you know, pour a separate color in and then expect it to stay only on the star. I had also considered pouring in some of my gold alcohol ink. But I was worried that it wouldn't dry in time and it would just kind of go everywhere. I think this pen is starting to run out. Like, it's not there, but it's getting there, you know? You know how that is when your pens start to dry out? These are really, really cute, though. I can't tell you which one is my favorite between the red and the green. Maybe the green. Yeah, this is it's getting real dry. I mean, I could technically take my gold alcohol ink and paint it with that, but this was just quicker and easier. There are a few holes in this star, but I'm not terribly upset about that. It is what it is, you know. I'm just happy it turned out so cute. I'm trying to let go of the idea that resin has to be completely bubble free in order to be cute. You know what I mean? And again, if you never pointed that out to anybody that you were giving your resin pieces to, they would probably never even notice. Oh, there we go. That's juicy. That got real juicy. So, yeah. I'm trying to be nicer to myself as a resin artist, and I think we all should. All right. Yeah. That's so cute. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. I love it. So adorable. Got little extra resin bits to clean up. But yeah, that is today's video. Again, another super simple one. Working a lot right now so that I can take a week off to be with my kids for Christmas. But yeah, there they are, you guys. If you enjoyed these or this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.